guys, today is April 22, Wednesday 2026, and we are here at Ayala Mall in Cagayan de Oro City, and this is the most expensive part of our job now. We are lifting this control panel of the solar installation, solar power installation on this mall. According to our client, this is the most expensive, so we must be very careful of this job, this task. We are done with the solar panels, as well as the wire cables, just 2 days ago, and now we are lifting these control panels, the most expensive. And your operator here, my signal man, is now giving me hoist up signal. This is control panels, the switchboard or control panels of the and my rigger at the top is giving me radio signal, hoist up. So we are using a radio for communication. Down. Panel board down. The thing. So my rigger now is giving me a signal. Okay, swing lift. Now stop. By the way, we are working here at night because this is the closing time of the mall. We are not allowed to work during daytime. So we start at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. There is one panel remaining, panel board. So we are installing here. Our client is installing the solar panels, solar energy. This is our last night of our job here.